Now, our feature presentation.
I keep it. Well, this the last one, so I think this the last one. It looks like this the last one. We get the motorcycle oil. It used to be over on this side, which I think is you. It could be over on this side. Alright, now let me go look on the other side. Motorcycle oil usually be right here. I thought. Go look on the other side. Well, oh, there you go. I'm tripping. You gotta get 3 of them. Yeah. Like I said, it usually be over here. Make sure I get the right one. All they had was 3 of them. See what we can check out in the garden center. Hopefully that guy still be back there to check out in the garden center. That's what we came to get. We can get out through the back. I want one of them bikes, y'all. And Kent Travails. Or one of them Ozark Trails. That's a big old gas jug. The lane closed. That's pretty close. Can I check out back here? Okay. I can't check out back here. Give me something. Put my visor down. Hopefully it don't take us long for us to do what Daddy want us to do on the Traverse. Hopefully it don't take us that long. You might have to do a little bit of research on it. I think I have an extra thing of this oil because one point in time I accidentally put a hole in my oil filter, so I had to go buy some more oil and a new oil filter because I put a hole in it. So I think I have a little bit of that oil left at the house, and I won't use all of them. So it's only 2.7 quarts. It'll be like 3 quarts. Put it in another bag. All right. Look at old Lincoln, y'all. It's like a bee. Oh, that's a Cadillac. Thought it was a Lincoln. I don't know. I guess I probably end up helping my dad first with what we gonna do. It shouldn't take me long to change the oil though. Shouldn't take me long. This camera back mounted on it. It's a nice replica. Mounted on here. Starting to warm up. I put my my newer motorcycle jacket on. It's kind of more ventilated than my older jacket. But I actually need to get a new motorcycle jacket. Other camera mounted up. See if I can put it on this side where I won't have to twist that back around. Hey, look, this is all the steps you gotta do to mount this camera. Like the mount is not connected to the camera. Like I think you can buy a case. You can get a case to mount that up, but I got these wind muffs on here too when I'm not actually using the microphone. I actually do have a case where you can put the microphone and stuff on the side, but I haven't used it in a long time. Quite a long time. Just for the convenience. It's not as convenient as it is if I was to keep that case on there. Let's see. Microphone disconnected. Oh heck. I messed the record button. There's a whole bunch to it. There you go. Oh, the master record button. A whole bunch of work to it. Alright, y'all. Let me cut this camera off. Cut this one back on. Alright, y'all. Cut this for now. Alright, y'all, let's head to the house. Stop loving you. Let's get on back to the house. Make sure I got everything strapped down. I'm about to leave something. About to leave something. Bound to leave something. Be bound to leave something. Maybe the footage from where I was in the Wally World, I'm gonna speed that up. I just wanted to bring y'all in with me. That's something I might start doing when I do get my Osmo Action 4. If I find a good way to mount it on my helmet, I might use that and my Insta360 X3 at the same time, just to get different camera angles, or if I want to get different camera angles, I can if I want to. So that's something I might start doing. But hopefully my phone don't fall off. I think I got it buttoned in where it won't fall off. Helmet dirty, y'all. Wallet in my phone. That's the main things I don't want to drop. For some reason I don't want to put my phone in my pocket. I don't want to put it in my pocket. I guess we'll probably do what my daddy want to do first, because I'm glad he made it back home, because I needed the daggum thingamajiggers the things to put my to get the oil filter off. They was in my truck. My daddy drove my truck earlier, so I haven't quite warmed up yet. I think it was only like 77 degrees when I first got on the motorcycle, like 66 degrees. I feel pretty good right now, even though I have a long sleeve shirt on up under this. I keep calling this my new motorcycle jacket, because it technically is my new motorcycle jacket. I got it when I got this motorcycle in 2020, and I don't use it that much, especially when I ride to work early in the morning. It's too airy. I like using my old jacket, and I actually like my old jacket better, because I just like it. I like how it fit. It fits snugger than this one. I actually had to get this jacket a little bigger, so this jacket is a little bigger. Yeah, this jacket is a little bigger. I just be quiet now, y'all. We just ride. I might speed this part up too, so it don't be that long. Even though it's only 5 minutes, it might be about 10 minutes by the time I get to the house. This to be a 30-minute long video. I don't know how long I was in Walmart. I don't think I was in there long. See how they stopped to let them cars out? I had a wreck in this exact same spot. I know I done told this story a couple times probably, but doing that I had a wreck right here, stopping and letting somebody out. My friend stopped, and then somebody ran in the back of my friend. So it was a 3-car wreck. Alright then. Like he got a 600. Why's he going to school? He's going to school on a bike. Pretty cool dude. Alright, little Debbie. Little Debbie just pulling out in the road. They full over here, y'all. Let go. Might have to slip around them. They turn now. They going down. I thought they were trying to turn right here. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna have to find a different mountain solution. Even though I like how this is on here. It's pretty stable on here. It fogs my helmet up a lot. My helmet is real fogged up. Just from me mounting that on her. What's she doing? Big old van. Playing follow the leader. She was following where that other car was going. They both riding in the bike lane. Both of them riding in the bike lane. How about that? Or the walking lane. I guess if you want to walk, you can walk right there too. Yeah. Another cool thing about the Insta360, the DJI Action 4, it has a quick release mount. So it has like a magnet on the bottom of it. So it kind of make it a little easier to connect it and disconnect it. The Selmer, I'm gonna have to stop and make a short video of a Jeep Renegade. I'm gonna make a long video on it too. Pretty cool ride. It's yellow. I wonder if that's the original color. That's if it's still over there. How long me and my daddy be doing, we gonna be doing. Lord, they about to get their new car wrecked. My mama. I'm just realizing that, like, I haven't used this camera in so long mounted to my helmet like this. I didn't realize that was one of the reasons my helmet was foggy, because it's blocking the airflow. It'd be interesting to see the video quality difference. I know that my original Osmo Action from 2019, the image quality is better than the Insta360 X3 that came out in 2003. The image quality of my Osmo Action from 2019 is better than the Insta360 X3. It's still a good camera. I just it for sure have better low light than this camera. I don't know what size the sensor is on that camera, but I think is on the Osmo Action 4 is like a 1.13. It's almost it's bigger than every other action camera. The sensor is bigger than every other action camera. Dang, Brennan, overcutting it a little bit. Yeah, the sensor is better. My friend Jerry. If I'm gonna film what my daddy got going on, I'm gonna have to. That's why I said I should have got another memory card, y'all. When you film and stuff, you can't have enough memory cards. And you'll always be running out of, well, be running out of space. I gotta put a push pin back in my fairing. It fell out the other day. That's something I gotta do, and I got some extra ones. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all coming along on the ride with me to Wally World. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all be good.